Okay, here's my old one. Here's my new one. Everything looks the same, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Now once I put the handle on, I may have to adjust this ring. Okay, I'm not going to concern myself with that just yet. I know, see this notch right there? We know that goes down because when I put the handle on there, see here, the handle goes on there, and then the set screw, when you push the set screw up, what you're doing is you're just pushing it up into this groove. That's all. And then that keeps, then you can't pull this off because this edge is hitting. Okay? That's all you got to do. Yeah. Once you understand how things go, you know, it's not too bad after all. And this just sets right on there. It doesn't even fit into a notch or anything. That's kind of cheesy, I would have thought. Okay. It's just push right up there. Okay. Just got one screw set there. Get my other screws and line up the dots. Alright, almost looked like I knew what I was doing, huh? Just about. And guess what? The very next one I do, I'm going to know exactly what all is entailed. And what I'm going to do is I'll go down to the store, or at least on my bags. Okay. On my bags, I'll write down all this information. Or better yet, I could take a picture with my cell phone, couldn't I? Of both of those bags with the name on it. See, this was a cartridge with seals, mix, reel, and here's the balance, the pressure balance unit. And I believe next time I'm at the store, I am going to order those parts. I might even be able to do it over online, because I even see there's a website. There's a website on here, an actual phone number too. And if I don't want to drive to the store, I could have them. I could have them ship it right over the internet if I wanted. In the mail. You know. Okay. Now these screws here gotta be pretty snug. You see, I don't have an overly sized screwdriver. I mean, it's just a small one. I think I can still get it tight because I was able to loosen it up. Use two hands on it. I get it there. Don't do it so you break something or spin something off or bend the screw end or anything. Just get it to where you feel like, okay, yeah, that looks good. Okay, oh yeah. All right, you know what the next step is? Before we do anything, let's turn this bad boy on and see what happens. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.